Sa nalalapit na ikalawang edisyon ng PSC All Women's Sports Awards, ilang female para-athletes naman ang gagawaran ng pagkilala dahil sa ipinamala silang husay sa sports. Kung sino-sino sila, alamin sa ulat ni Bernadette Chinoy.
2 araw bago kilalanin ng mga female athletes na nakapagbigay karangalan sa bansa sa darating na 2nd PSC All Women's Sports Awards bilang selebrasyon ng International Women's Month. Inanunsyo ng Philippine Sports Commission na ilang para-athletes din ang bibigyang parangal sa nasabing programa. Kabilang ng Paralympians na sina Agustina Bantilok ng para-archery, Sandy Asusano ng para-javelin throw, at Angel Autumn ng para-swimming. Kasama rin nila sa listahan sina Cita de Mendoza, Andrea Estrella, Edeline Diazis, Maridol Pamatian at Echel Guion.
Hindi natin isasampati lalagay sa lower level sila, but they are achievers in themselves. I mean, even without achieving a medal, achiever na po sila by just competing in the field of sports.
Once again, we're celebrating International Women's Month. There's no better way for, let's say, to honor our female athletes and for them to be considered in that year na i-celebrate natin yung tagumpay nila. And by all means, diba? Whether individual or team sport, kinikilala ka, you're given the recognition that you are trailblazers as females in Philippine sports.
Dagdag pa ng PSC na karapat dapat lang nabigyang parangal ang mga kababaihang atleta dahil sa pinamalas nilang husay sa kanilang sports. Gaganapin ng Women's Sports Awards sa March 15 na idirao sa Century Park Hotel, kung saan makakasama ng mga para-athletes ang mahigit sa 100 atleta, coaches, executives at national teams.
The older ones that paved the way for the female athletes of today, a lot of them that vindicated with regards to yung pag-recognize sa kanila. Diba? One thing being a woman, and then secondly being a woman in sports. Diba? So yung lahat ng pagod, hirap, all the contributions as female athletes, as Filipino female athletes, were pretty much validated, vindicated, and celebrated last year. So for some of these who are first-timers, kahit paano may sense of excitement for Saturday.
Bernadette Chinoy para sa Atletang Pilipino, para sa Bagong Pilipinas.